Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete a Netflix account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, go ahead, access your particular Netflix app on your mobile phone, and right afterwards simply go ahead and choose your particular profile, enter the pin, and simply go ahead. First of all, you're gonna find this kind of interface right after that. Now go ahead, tap on this my Netflix option in the bottom right. Tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. Tap on this option of account right over here, and here in this section simply scroll all the way to the bottom and you will find this option of a delete account. All you gotta do is tap on it. Then you find this option of email or code. All you have to do is tap on this option of email or code. You will receive a code on your particular email. Once you have confirmed it, you will be able to tap on delete and remove your particular account likewise. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.